Okay, so I just want to make a really quick video about my this new card. It's in AMD RX 7600, and I want to test it in let's say not exactly. I don't care about much that say FPS. You just make how much noise in it and how much hot it is. So you're gonna start the GPU test right here. I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna watch it with the measurements. Look at this. It's 98%. 181 watts. It's probably it's on default, I think. Yeah, it's on default settings. And let's check this the temperature. 85 degrees, and the RPM is just a bit over 1300. Let's see if you can hear the fan spinning faster. It is louder now. Now it's 2500 RPM, 93 degrees. I see something very interesting with those video cards for AMD, at least the new ones. They get kind of hot. I mean, when I play some games, they just go with the hot spot. It's above 100 degrees, and they stay pretty much regular around 95 degrees. Listen to this. They are a bit noisy, but this is a dual fan design. Again, look at this. And again, the power consumption, it's around 185 watts, something like that. That's kind of when, again, that's where they stay. The CPU temperature is around 60 degrees and the GPU it's 94 degrees. And actually you can feel it to this glass. And here on the top bottom, in the top case, again you're gonna see some exhaust sounds. Probably in a winter you can actually hit a house with one of those, or at least the room. If it's not a big room and you can put them on the 100% load, let's say, you're gonna have some serious heat out of this. So yeah, look, it's 98% usage and 181 watts consumption with 95 degrees. I mean, the performance, it is pretty much great, I think. Look at this, in full mark. How much do you get? Get around 186, 87 FPS. So I think it's fine, it's okay. But again, the power consumption, it's a bit more than I would like for a video card. And the temperature, again, 96 degrees, let's say at full throttle. The fan, okay, maybe it's not that noisy. Listen to this. You can definitely hear it. But still, it's not that loud or something very uncomfortable. They stay around 2600 RPM, 2700 RPM, something like that. I think the full speed of one of those is probably like 3000 RPM or something like that. But still, it's fine. The temperature is the one I kind of don't like that much, especially in the summer. I mean, there are 96 degrees right now, and in my room there are 29 degrees. So I get it. It's not the coolest room, but still. So yeah, that's kind of my video. I want to make a bit different one. Let me see if I'm not gonna remove the panel. You can hear it and see it right here. Definitely they spin a bit higher. Probably if you have a 3-fan design, it's gonna be quieter, but I'm not sure it's gonna be cooler than that. I mean, look at this, 96 degrees, 97 degrees constantly at 181 watts power consumption. That's the hot spot, by the way. In the 82 degrees kind of the temperature right now. But when you game, like I said, it's around 95 degrees constantly, the average temperature. The hot spot goes over 100 degrees, like 103 or 105 degrees, something like that. Which is kind of hot in my opinion, but again, if you stop the, let's stop the test. We're gonna see how fast they cool down. Look at this. almost 2800 RPM, and now it's gonna drop. Look at this, 67, okay, 65 degrees. Just go down immediately. 9 watts consumption, 7 watts consumption, the RPM goes down. And it's definitely, there is enough cooling capacity, but the chip is running very hot. Usually I keep my video card undervolted, probably for the power consumption or something like this. Just go proceed. Sometimes there comes some error when usually they go around this one. And now it's gonna stay here. That's how I use my, pretty much all the time I just browsing the YouTube. I just don't play some games or stuff like that. I don't overclock or anything, but just keep it simple. So yeah, that was the video I wanna make today. Not a lot of this on YouTube. All this is some benchmarks, all this in just numbers on the screen. You don't have to, you don't hear it actually, so you don't see it, how the video card actually performs. Not just the numbers, but how it feels in your computer and in your room. So yeah, that was the video. See you next time. If you have time and pretty much have time to waste, check my other videos and see you next time.